In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair this damage in this plaster coving. It's a really simple job to do. These are the tools I'm going to be using. The trowel with a rounded end for getting in the round bit of the coving, and also to mix our adhesive. A cheap small plasterer's float. Stanley knife. A couple of small trowels. Scraper. Soft paintbrush. A tub to mix the adhesive. And a spray bottle. I'll try and put links to all of these in the description below, but the tools aren't very expensive. And this is what we're going to use to fill the coving. It's just ordinary plasterboard adhesive. I bought this 25kg bag in B&Q for under a tenner, but you can get smaller bags as well. I've tried it in the past and it's worked well. It's got really good adhesion properties. It sands up really well and really fine plaster. So it's ideal for filling the coving, and it also paints very well. First thing I need to do is scrape out any loose material that's in there. Anything that's damaged with either a scraper or the Stanley knife. If there's any fine cracks, it's better to open them up a bit so more adhesive can get into it. Just do that with the Stanley knife. Next thing you want to do is just wet inside it, so it doesn't suck all the moisture out the adhesive as soon as you put it in. It'll help it bond better. Okay, so just a little squirt of water. So to mix your adhesive, always put clean water in first. And you add your adhesive to that. Okay, so you want to mix it until you've got a nice thick sticky paste that sticks to your trowel. Alright, so just damp down the holes again. And put your adhesive in. And you want to push it right inside. There's plenty of adhesive in there. Now at this point you want to overfill the holes. We can fine tune it later. Right, just need to let that set for a little bit before we can start working on it again. Right, so I've left that for about half an hour to let the adhesive go off a little bit. So now it's probably about the right consistency to start working it, smoothing it out. So we just need to give it a little spray of water first. We just need to start blending it into the original coving. Scrape off any excess. Also it helps if you tamp down your tools. I'm just using the small Plaster's trowel and I'll try and bring it round and blend it in. Okay, so that's took off a lot of the excess. When you've got it close enough, you can start using a brush just to blend it in a little bit better as well. Just tamping it down. Just blend it in. A little bit of fine tuning. So I'm happy with that now. So what I'll do, I'll leave that to go off for about 24 hours and I'll give it a sand with 120 grit sandpaper and it'll be good for painting then. So with the right filler and the right tools, it's quite a simple job. You just got to be a bit finicky with the finish. But once that's painted with matte paint, you probably won't be able to tell. Make sure you clean all the adhesive off your tools because it sticks like to a blanket. Just do it in a bucket of water so you don't clog up your drains. Get as much off you can with a brush. Use a little scrubbing pad. Get the rest of it off. It's easier to do it now while it's still a bit wet than when it's dried rock hard. Here's that same piece of coving Now I've added 2 bits of wooden moulding on the bottom and on the top. So after 3 coats of paint and a bit of sanding, I think you can agree you can hardly see where the join was. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.